Hello everyone, this is Mr. Khalid Munir. We will talk about congruent triangle. Firstly, what is the meaning of congruence? Congruence mean two identical shapes. Let's start with congruent triangle. We saw the two cards. These two triangles look exactly like the last example. We talk about congruent triangle in mathematics. When we have triangle A, P, C is congruent with triangle X, Y, Z. We can write A, P, C congruent with X, Y, Z. We know that any triangle had three sides and three angles, which are known as the sixth element of triangle. For example, triangle ABC had three sides, AB, PC, and AC. And it had three angles, angle A, angle B, and angle C. To test whether two triangles are congruent or not, you don't need to test all of the three sides and the three angles. To congruent triangle, we have four cases. The first case, when we have triangle A, P, C, and triangle X, Y, Z. When AB equals XY and PC equals YZ and AC equals XZ, then the two triangles are congruent. A, B, C congruent with X, Y, Z, which its abbreviation S, not S, S, the three sides. The three sides two triangle are congruent if each side of one triangle is congruent to the corresponding side of the other congruent. The second case, when we have triangle A, P, C, and X, Y, Z, when AP equals XY and PC equals YZ, and the measure of angle B equal measure of angle Y, then triangle APC congruent with XYZ, which is its abbreviation S.A.S, side and angle included. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding part of the other triangle. The third case, when we have triangle A, P, C, and triangle X, Y, Z. When measure of angle P equal measure of angle Y and the measure of angle C equal measure of angle Z, and the line between two angles PC equal the line X between Y and Z, and then the two triangles are congruent. A, P, C congruent with X, Y, Z, with its abbreviation A.S.A. The triangle are congruent if two angles and the side drawn between their vertex of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding part of the other triangle. The fourth case, which is called special cases, when we have two right-angle triangle, we will name it A, P, C, and x, y, z. When AC, the hypotenuse of this triangle, equal xz, the hypotenuse in this triangle, and when PC equal zy, then two triangle APC congruent with x, y, z, and its abbreviation is called R.H.S, right angle and hypotenuse and another side. Two right angle triangle are congruent if the hypotenuse and the side of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding part of the other triangle. This is a summary about the four cases. The case number one, two sides and the angle included S.A.S, and case number two, two angle and one side A.S.A. Case number three, three sides S.S.S. Case number four, special case, hypotenuse and one of side in the right angle triangle R.H.S. Keep it the summary with you. Now let's practice. The first one, in each of the following figure, show if the two triangles are congruent or not. If they are congruent, name the case of congruence. If they aren't congruent, give reason. First example, we note that DE equal AB and DF equals AC, and the measure of angle D equal measure of angle A, then two triangles are congruent because of the case which is called side and angle and side. Number two, in the second triangle, we have ADC and APC. We note that AB equal DC and PC equal AD, and AC is a common side. Then the two triangles are congruent because of three sides S.S.S. We can practice the rest at home, number 3 and number 4 and number 5. Number 6, we can note that measure of angle A equal measure of angle F, measure of angle C equal measure of angle C with vertically opposite angle, but we note that AC not equal to CF, then this two triangle not congruent because of AC not equal CF. Number 7, in triangle, measure of angle A equal measure of angle C, and AD equal DC, and DB is common side, then these two triangles are congruent because of the case R.H.S. We can bracket the rest at home, number 8, 11, and number 10. Thank you for listening to me, and we will meet again.